Hello everybody, and today we're just gonna jump right into it. So you can get these carvable pumpkins for $1 at the Dollar Tree, as well as these battery powered tea lights. You can get pumpkin carvers there. So you're going to also need some scissors, a Sharpie, white paint. I use spray paint, but regular acrylic paint works. A hot glue gun, and some sort of black material to go into the eyes. I just got this. It's kind of like a wreath material, but I really wanted black tissue paper, which is surprisingly kind of hard to find. So that is what I would have originally done, but it is what it is. So pretty much you are just going to take that Sharpie and you are going to outline the face of Jack Skellington. I just searched Jack Skellington's face on Google and I found that image there that I found pretty helpful. And if you draw over a little bit, because I kind of didn't really like the placement at first that I did of the nose holes, so I moved it, but you cut it out and you paint it so you don't see it at all. And then of course, once you get that done, you're going to carve it. First, you're going to carve the top, which kind of makes it helpful because these pumpkins they kind of have like a circle outlined already for like sort of where to carve. So that made it super easy. And I just took that pumpkin carver. Styrofoam is a huge mess and it's really annoying to clean up because it sticks to whatever surface it touches, like even your hands. So just beware of that. And then of course, go over the outline that you did. I did the eyes last because I feel like I wouldn't have had a sturdy enough top to cut the mouth out of since the eye holes are so big. And then to kind of make it a little bit more smoother, I just kind of carved out some of the thickness of the styrofoam walls along the side. And it just took a lot of work. This was a long time, and if you don't really like making a big mess, like kind of like what I've got going on here on my kitchen table, you can just do it over the trash can. And then when I finished that, I just spray painted it. I don't spray paint on camera because I'm afraid the paint's going to get on my lens. So I just painted it all white, and then I did the top as well. And to kind of go with the black, I made the stem black to switch things up. And then after, the paint is all dry, you're going to take that black material and you're going to kind of space it out and make sure that it goes across the entire face to just kind of make it a little bit more even and consistent. And like I said, I wish I had tissue paper because it's still see-through, but it's black enough to where it's not like too see-through, kind of like this material. And then once I kind of figured it out where I wanted it, I hot glued it. It is really hard because obviously it's a circle, so I used just like this little wooden stick here to kind of push the hot glue down onto the side of the pumpkin and glue that on there. And once you are done with that, just turn on your tea light and put it in your pumpkin and kind of line up the lines on top and just add your little top, and there you go. You have your Jack Skellington candle holder pumpkin. Now I would use a battery powered candle because a real tea light probably isn't safe to be kind of covered in such a shorter environment, and also it's styrofoam and it's covered in paint, so that's just a recipe for disaster. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you try it in the comments down below. But other than that, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. See you later.